Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to improve Discord voice quality using advanced audio settings. Yeah, if your calls or streams sound muffled, distorted, or just plain low quality, tweaking these settings can make a huge difference because, honestly, clear audio keeps your community engaged and makes conversations much more enjoyable. So first, go to your Discord settings and open the voice and video section. Uh, Make sure you're using the correct input and output devices like a good microphone and headphones because using the wrong device often causes low quality or lag. Next, enable noise suppression. Yeah, Discord has built-in options like crisp or AI noise reduction, which remove background sounds like keyboard clicks, fans, or chatter. After that, check the input sensitivity. Either let Discord automatically adjust it or manually fine-tune it so your voice is heard clearly without cutting out during quiet parts. Also, enable echo cancellation and automatic gain control. Yeah, these settings prevent echo or sudden volume spikes, keeping your audio smooth for everyone in the call. And yeah, for advanced users, use high-quality codecs like Opus in the server settings and consider using push-to-talk instead of voice activation in noisy environments. Finally, test your setup in a voice channel before important calls or streams. Most of the time, adjusting these settings drastically improves voice clarity and overall experience. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.